In 2016, Americans were infected with over 2 million new cases of gonorrhea, chlamydia, and syphilis. That is the highest number ever reported of those sexually transmitted infections.
STDs like chlamydia, syphilis, and gonorrhea are at all-time record highs. And Dr. D, I want to start with you because you're an OBGYN, and obviously you're counseling a lot of people on this.
Here's a map of the United States. Do you know what this map is? That's right, the most sexually diseased states. Now, as a general rule, the state with the most STDs is traditionally whichever state where The Bachelor is shooting, but not in this case. California finished 16th, which is better than I thought we'd do. You know, Charlie Sheen lives here.
When you include herpes and the dozens of other diseases which can be transmitted sexually but are not tracked, the CDC estimates that there are over 20 million new cases of STDs in the United States each year. I had the pleasure of speaking to 2 Georgia State University students on their thoughts of the taboo topic.
I feel like people are ashamed. Nobody wants to have that conversation. People are ashamed, or people just automatically assume that they're good, you know? No one thinks that they can catch anything or that they're dirty. So, you know, people don't like to discuss it.
The easiest way for a guy or for a woman to approach somebody, the significant other, about having or wanting to get tested together, I think is just to be straight up and talk to each other and tell each other, like, hey, I think we should go get tested together. Not to say that I think you got anything, but just to be safe and let us both know what's going on with our bodies and let's be on the same page with each other.
In 2016, Georgia ranked number 5 nationally for chlamydia, number 3 for gonorrhea, and number 4 for syphilis. Youth ages 15 to 24 made up most of those reported cases.
But I know that there are places like Grady that offer, free birth control and other things like that for just simply going and get tested. And I feel like a lot of people don't know that. And if girls knew that, that was a way to free birth control or whatever the case may be, more people may go and get tested. Because I know a lot of people don't like to go through their insurance or through their parents. It can be kind of, awkward. So I think that's,
Grady Health Clinic offers low price to free STD testing, pap smears, birth control, and other contraceptives to those of low income. Georgia State University Health Clinic employee Terrence gave insight on what resources are available to students.
Okay, so the services that we offer here at the health clinic, as far as STDs, we work together with Health Promotions. And because Health Promotions do a few tests for free, they do HIV testing for free, they do gonorrhea and chlamydia testing for free, and they do trichomonas for free. We don't do any test for free here, but we do every STD test that there is here, just to try to help prevent the spread of STDs on campus. It's pretty high as it is, and we're trying to make sure that that percentage goes down. We also give out free condoms here. Health Promotions gives out free condoms. Sometimes we run out, but I've actually bought condoms for students because we ran out. So if you need condoms, you can come to the health clinic or the Health Promotions and we'll get them for you.
Many resources are available to Georgia State University students. The health clinic offers free condoms and STD testing. The GSU Testing and Counseling Center also offers free STD testing by appointment only.
As far as health overall, I mean, I'm not going to tell everybody to be abstinent because that's just ridiculous to think that that's going to actually work. But if you can do it, more power to you. But I just know a lot of people aren't going to do it. So getting tested every 6 months at least, recommended every 3 months, because that's about the time period that to be safest. I would say every 3 months. Other than that, get tested with your partner. Talk to your partner about their test results. Find out who you're messing with, because that's important, because you just never know. Because everybody doesn't have symptoms. A lot of symptoms don't show. So just be careful out there.
SaferSTDtesting.com helps compare testing and prices of clinics in Atlanta. There are 31 private clinics and 57 public clinics within a 25-mile radius of Atlanta. The website also provides information on each STD, such as how the testing works, common symptoms, where to get tested, and more. Although the rates of sexually transmitted diseases and infections in Atlanta are on the rise and higher than ever before, it is up to the individual to protect themselves. From contraceptives to testing, the resources are there. Melissa Washington, GSU TV.